tour. Okay guys, today I'm going to be doing a room tour, so let's get started. So first, you have this on my door. Then you have these lights with these little peeps on it, and unicorn slide. Because 10-year-olds can love unicorns. I don't really love them, but like, that's why. I have my Disney bag, some of my purses, class animals, American Girl doll stuff. Some of my American Girl doll, like, furniture. Most of it's up there, but, like, this is some of it. School, bed, bathroom, kitchen, house, all that stuff. Couch. Then American Girl doll, then realistic babies. And over here's all my Squishmallows and some Care Bears. Some of my Care Bears up there. Some of them are down there. Most of them are. Okay, so over here's my name, some Barbies. These are American Girl doll stuff, and this is Barbies. This is my closet. Yeah, slide. More Barbie stuff. Barbie house number 1. Then, yeah, this is where I have jewelry. This is my vanity. I have Barbie room under there. Just some vanity stuff, yeah. Okay, the Barbie house number 2. And then this is my dresser with my TV, Lego flowers. Yeah, this is just a shelf with a bunch of stuff on it, like LaFufu, I think. LaBoo-Boo or LaFufu. Barbie's little Disney dolls, more Disney dolls, like me and my dad made. My vanity, not vanity, this is my desk. It's kind of messy. I was making paper nails, some Dr. Pepper. Yeah, some cute stuff on it, though. ASMR microphone, oh my god. Some slime, my drawers. My fidgets are down there, my trash can. Just some more stuff. That's my bed. Poster. Okay, just some stuff down the poster. This isn't really a poster, it's like a tapestry. I don't actually know what that's called. Never mind, it's not a tapestry, but I don't know. Picture, clock. It's like chalkboard. My bed. Okay, this is my Taylor Swift thing. My record player, my records. I have a Benson Boone one, but it's downstairs. Phone cases, Barbie stuff, some Legos, Wicked. This is just some random stuff like my bathing suits and pajamas are in those drawers. So 3 of those drawers. Just a mirror. That's some stuff. So this is just some drawers. And yeah. And my carpet. So that is pretty much my room. So yeah, bye.